Hi Sam, it's great to see you today. Are you ready for another vocabulary lesson?
Hi Alex. Absolutely, I'm excited to learn. What's the word for today?
Today, we're learning the word.
Hersteller.
It means manufacturer or producer.
Oh, that sounds interesting. But what does it really refer to?
Well,
Hersteller.
typically refers to a company or person that makes products. It's most commonly used in the context of businesses that produce goods. Just be careful, though some might confuse it with the English word herald, which has a completely different meaning.
Got it. So how do we use
Hersteller.
in a sentence?
Hersteller.
Is a masculine noun, so we use
Der.
for the article. In plural, it becomes
Hersteller.
as well. You can say
Der Hersteller produziert viele Produkte.
which means the manufacturer produces many products.
And how would I say the manufacturers in German?
That's still,
Die Hersteller.
which is interesting. In present tense, you could say,
Ich bin der Hersteller.
meaning I am the manufacturer. In the past tense, you could say,
Ich war der Hersteller.
and in perfect, it would be,
Ich bin der Hersteller gewesen.
That makes sense. Are there any common phrases with
Hersteller.
yes, you might hear,
Der Hersteller von Autos.
which means the manufacturer of cars. It's also used in phrases like,
Hersteller von Software.
for manufacturer of software.
I see, so does it have any historical roots?
Absolutely. The word
Hersteller.
comes from the Old High German,
Hersteller.
which means one who sets forth. It has evolved over the centuries in usage, mainly in reference to someone who creates or produces something.
That's really fascinating. So, how can we break down the word itself?
Great question. The word consists of the prefix,
Hier.
which can imply from here or out of, and the root,
Stellen.
meaning to place or to set. So, it literally means to set out from here.
That's a cool way to look at it. Are there any similar words in German?
Sure. For example, we have
Ansteller.
meaning one who makes an arrangement, where means at. Then there's
Versteller.
which means adjuster, with,
Wer.
indicating a change.
Interesting. What about other examples?
Let's see. There's
Absteller.
referring to one who sets aside, which uses the prefix meaning of. Then we have
Hersteller,
meaning one who issues or publisher.
Wow, that's quite a list. How can I use
Hersteller.
in real life?
Imagine you're at a trade show. You could say,
ich bin ein Hersteller von Möbeln.
meaning I am a manufacturer of furniture.
Alright, let me try. I could say,
Ich bin ein Hersteller von Spielzeugen.
Perfect. That's right. Another situation could be at a factory. You can start with,
Der Hersteller stellt viele Produkte her.
meaning the manufacturer produces many products.
great. How about if I say,
Der Hersteller hat die Maschinen repariert.
Excellent. That means the manufacturer repaired the machines. One more situation could be when discussing quality. You can say,
Der Hersteller garantiert die Qualität.
meaning the manufacturer guarantees the quality.
I think I understand. Now, about the gender of.
Hersteller.
Any tips?
Yes, since it's masculine and ends in, you can remember it as often being associated with people who do an action. For example,
Der Lehrer,
means the teacher and follows the same pattern.
That's a good hint. Are there any common mistakes with this word I should know?
Definitely. Be careful not to confuse
Hersteller,
with,
Herz,
which means heart. They sound a bit similar but have very different meanings. Also, it's important to note that it's used in formal contexts when referring to companies.
Got it. So what are some typical collocations?
You might hear phrases like,
der Hersteller von Lebensmitteln,
meaning the manufacturer of food, or
der Hersteller von Maschinen,
which means the manufacturer of machines.
Nice. Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. For instance,
der Hersteller hat neue Produkte eingeführt.
meaning the manufacturer has introduced new products. Another example is,
Die Hersteller haben sich getroffen.
meaning the manufacturers met.
This is really helpful. Can you quiz me on this word?
Of course. First question, what is the article for?
Hersteller,
It's
Der.
Correct. Second question, how do you say the manufacturers in German?
that would be
Die Hersteller.
Great. Third question, what does
Hersteller,
mean in English?
it means manufacturer.
Perfect. Fourth question, what is the past tense form of?
ich bin Hersteller.
Would it be
Ich war Hersteller.
Exactly. Last question, what prefix do we see in?
Hersteller,
that would be
Her.
Fantastic job today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
Hersteller,
means manufacturer, and it's a masculine noun.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning this word. I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful to hear. Keep practicing, and I can't wait to see you next time.